If you've just picked up a Turtle Beach Stealth 600 and want it connected to your Xbox One the right way, this quick guide will walk you through everything, fast, simple, and frustration-free. Let's start with the basics. Power on your headset by holding the power button until the LED turns on. Then switch on your Xbox One using the main button on the front of the console. Once both devices are on, find the pairing button on your Xbox. Depending on your model, it'll either be near the disc slot or on the left side of the system. Give that button one press. When the Xbox light starts blinking, it's officially in pairing mode. Now it's the headset's turn. Press and hold the connect button on the Stealth 600 until its light begins flashing rapidly. That flashing means the headset is actively searching for the console. After a few seconds, both the Xbox light and the headset's LED should turn solid. That's your confirmation that the connection was successful. At this point, you should hear your game audio instantly. If you're not hearing anything, don't worry. There are a couple quick checks. Make sure the headset is fully charged and keep it close to your console. Wireless interference can cause issues, so avoid placing it near routers, Bluetooth speakers, or metal shelves. If pairing still refuses to cooperate, restart both your Xbox and your headset and try the steps again. Another pro tip is updating the headset's firmware using the Turtle Beach Audio Hub on a computer. Outdated firmware can cause syncing problems or random disconnects, and a quick update usually solves everything. Once you're connected, head into your Xbox audio settings to fine-tune your chat balance, headset volume, and mic monitoring so everything sounds exactly how you like it. And that's it. Once your Stealth 600 is paired, it'll automatically reconnect in the future, making your gaming session smoother every time you power up. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded audio experience.